Experiencing a Spectrum router or modem that won't turn on? Power issues are a common cause, often stemming from outages, surges, or faulty power supplies. First, ensure the device is properly connected to a functioning power outlet. Visually inspect the power adapter for damage, like bent plugs or loose connections. The power LED on the device should illuminate when powered. Next, perform a power cycle by unplugging the router modem for 30 to 60 seconds, then reconnecting it. This resets internal capacitors and clears temporary faults. If the issue persists, test the outlet with a multimeter to verify it's delivering 110 to 120 volts AC. Faulty outlets, especially those with GFCI trips, are a frequent culprit. If the power adapter seems faulty, contact Spectrum for a replacement under warranty. Finally, check the coaxial cable connection to ensure it's secure, as loose connections can sometimes mimic power problems. These steps resolve about 70% of not turning on issues. Protect your Spectrum router and modem from power surges, which can fry internal circuits. Invest in a UPS or a surge protector rated for 1000 plus joules. Avoid daisy-chaining devices, as this can overload circuits. For enhanced resilience, consider a Spectrum Business Wi-Fi solution with a built-in UPS for backup power during blackouts. Keep your device firmware updated via the My Spectrum app to patch vulnerabilities to power surges. Looking ahead, Spectrum is integrating IoT sensors into devices for real-time power monitoring, alerting users to potential surges via app notifications. Future routers may incorporate hybrid power systems combining battery and grid to minimize outage impacts. Be aware of DIY repair videos, but avoid unauthorized modifications that void your warranty. If you are having a problem, a tech may recommend to clean corroded power ports with a cotton swab and alcohol, restoring functionality. This is now cited in Spectrum's official guides as a low-cost hack.